A friend of mine was in the C-suite and he had an issue with the subordinate. This subordinate really messed up a few key technical things they were in charge of. There was a huge implementation project that they totally botched, set the company back months, cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars. But the trick was this person was pretty well connected. They had been in the organization for quite some time and they knew a lot of people. So he knew he had his work cut out for him. So we used the formal review process and put them through a pretty brutal review, highlighting all of these key mistakes that were made. After the review, this executive went and went to build support to get this person's position eliminated, to restructure that department. Ultimately, what happened is the executive themselves, who got a great review, they got fired instead of the subordinate. The problem wasn't that the executive didn't know about the laws of power or which powers needed to be used or which laws needed to be used. The problem was implementation and execution. They used too short of a time horizon when they should have used a longer time horizon. They used too simple of a set of tactics when they should have been more strategic. So at the end of the day, we're going to dive into how to bring these laws to life and how to make them work for you effectively. So the four parts of the power implementation triangle are: first, time horizon. This is all about short term versus long term, a single interaction versus a series of interactions. Directionality. Are we talking about an inward focused tactic, something to manage yourself, or that's internal that no one can see, that's subtle? Or is this something outward, something that's overt, that everyone can see and observe and hear? And third, complexity. Is this something that is simple, a direct, a straightforward tactic of one law? Or is this a layered series where you have to set up shaping operations in order to set the conditions for something to happen down the road? And of course, the center of the triangle, the most important. This is the audience. Who is the target of your influencing tactics? Who are you working with and through? And who is the object of your approaches? So with that, we are Power at Work, where we help you put the laws of power to work in your daily life and your work. And this is going to be a short 5-part series where we dig into implementation to make the laws of power work for you.